Hello everyone, welcome to my Java tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll give you an overview of the arithmetic operators in Java. Now there are 5 arithmetic operators in Java, that is addition operator, subtraction operator, multiplication operator, division operator, and finally the remainder operator. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just go on explaining these operators one by one. So for doing that I'll use two variables, int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to 20. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just go on using the different operators with these variables and display the result on the screen. So I'll just start with the addition operator. Sys out, okay, a plus b. So this is the addition operator and it should give us the sum of these two numbers. So that is 10 plus 20, which is equal to 30. So let's run this. Yes, we got the correct output. Now the next operator is the subtraction operator. So this will give us the difference between the two numbers, that is 10 minus 20, which is equal to minus 10. So let's run this. Yes, we got the correct output. Now the next one is the multiplication operator. Okay, now this operator should give us the product of the two numbers, that is 10 into 20, which is equal to 200. So let's run it, and yes, it is correct. And moving on, the next operator is the division operator. So for division, what I'll do is I'll divide b by a because I think it will give us the concrete output. So b divided by a is equal to 20 divided by 10, which is equal to 2. Okay, and yes, the output is correct. And now finally we have a remainder operator. Now a remainder operator is a bit different. So what it does is, suppose if I say 10 remainder 20, by the way, this is also called as the modulo operator. So if I say 10 modulo 20, what it will do is it will return the remainder of the division of 10 and 20. So it will divide 10 by 20 and it will return the remainder of the 2. Okay, so I think by looking at this, we should get 10 as the remainder. So let's run this, and yes, if you divide 10 by 20, you will get 10 as the remainder. So that was the remainder operator or the modulo operator. Now again, you can use these operators in long expressions. Let's say, for example, I can say something like a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So we can create any such expressions by using these operators. Okay, so let's run this. Yeah, this is the output. Okay, now there's one more point which I would like to make. It is regarding the addition operator. Okay, so let's display it again, a plus b. So now there's a confusion regarding this. This addition operator, it is sometimes used as a concatenation operator. Okay, so for example, if I say something like this, equal to plus a plus b. So in this case, this operator is acting as a concatenation operator. Okay, and in this case it is acting as an addition operator. So whenever a plus operator is used in combination with a string, it acts as a concatenation operator, and whenever it is used with numeric values, it acts as an addition operator. So just remember this point. These two operators are not the same, they are different. Okay, so one is a concatenation operator and the other one is a addition operator. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial.